have our first adventure, is I want to go see this person's garden. It's just down the way here. As you see, there's nothing on the roads here. So I'm gonna stay on this side. Damn, that's a nice house. So I can see the traffic coming toward me. And when I see it, I can just get into the grass. But as a gardener, if you see an interesting garden, by golly, you have to stop and at least take a look at it. Let me see. Oh, Jesus. Huh. That's a nice garden. Got a greenhouse right there. Nice house. Private property, so I'm not gonna go any further. But yeah, that's definitely nice. Wish they were out here this morning. That way I could have talked to them. Maybe I'll be able to see them when I come back this direction. In the meantime, I'm about to hightail it back to the path while there are little to no cars on this road. It took a little bit more out of me than I expected.